Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful. The video layout feature in VEDAMO Virtual Classroom gives the users a more organized look at the whiteboard and makes working in big groups easier, especially when teaching young children. With this group of settings, you can define whether you would like to be able to drag and move around the individual video mosaic, screen share, and media player boxes, or if you want them to be static on your screen. The video layout menu is located at the top of the whiteboard. The first option is static host and participants video layout. When this setting is turned on, the video boxes are fixed in one place and cannot be moved across the screen for both host and participants. When it is off, the individual video mosaic, screen share, and media player boxes can be dragged and moved across the screen by everyone in the virtual classroom from their own point of view. Note that this does not impact the position of video boxes on other participants' screen. As the host, you can open, close, and enter/exit the full screen of the windows included in the static layout. You can manage the state of the video boxes, open, closed, or full screen from the respective video box controls. All these actions are mirrored on participant screens with the option Participants Layout auto-replicates the hosts under the control of Participants Video Layout. When this option is selected, the participants see what the host is seeing. For example, if a particular box is open on the host screen, the same box will be open on all other participants' screens in the same way, full screen or not. Participants will not be able to change it by themselves. The host can allow participants to control their own video boxes by turning on the Participants Control Their Layout setting. Note that this setting is turned on by default. When this option is selected, participants can use the controls in the top right corner of their video boxes to manage the layout by themselves. The last option, Host Manually Controls Participants Layout, allows you to control the state of participants' video boxes independently from your own video layout. Therefore, the host can manage what participants see, but the host's view will be independent. Participants cannot change the state of their video boxes by themselves. Now, some additional settings. From these three sections, Close Open, Full Screen, and Mobile, the host decides which boxes and for which devices they are opened. With the first option, the host can open or close the individual video mosaic, screen share, or media player for participants using a PC or laptop or tablet in the landscape only. With the full screen option, the host can choose one of the video boxes, individual video mosaic, screen share, or media player to be shown in full screen mode for all devices, PCs, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. This means that the host can play a video in the media player in full screen mode only for participants and in the meantime manage the content on the whiteboard. With the mobile option, the host can control participants' video layout using mobile devices. Selecting one of the options, individual video mosaic, screen share, or media player, to be open for mobile devices won't affect other participants using different devices. The video layout functionality facilitates participation, collaboration, and comprehension for both teachers and learners across all types of devices. Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!